Patrol ready for action, riders, sir.
Jake's lost and his tracks are covered with snow. We have to find him. Sky, I'll need you to search for Jake from above.
This puppy's gotta fly.
The rest of you can follow along in the Paw Patroller, in case we need more help. Paw Patrol is on a roll!
Uh-oh, the bridge is cracking.
I don't think it's gonna hold, Everest.
Ryder, I found Jake and a pup. They're stuck on an ice bridge, and the ice is breaking up.
We're on our way.
It's the Paw Patrol I told you about. Hey, Chase!
Chase, is your winch ready?
Rawr, winch.
Sky, use your wings to fly the winch line out to Jake.
This puppy's gotta fly. Catch!
Ready to do this?
Ready as I'll ever be.
Ruff, ruff.
Yeah! Woohoo!
Everest, jump! Whoa! Are you okay? Ask you first. Hey, Pops, meet Everest. Everest, this is Ryder and the Paw Patrol.
Hi, Ryder. Hi, Pups. Jake told me all about you.
Hey, Everest, do you want to come back to Adventure Bay with us? I could really use a smart pup like you to help out on the mountain.
You could? Woohoo!
Rusty marks the spot. Ahoy, ye landlubber! Ha-ha! Prepare to set sail, ye scallywags!
Rusty?
Oh, hey, Ruby. I'm just, being a pirate.
I can see that. Why?
Because I found something super cool. Hey, Jack?
Hello!
An old wooden box?
Not just any old wooden box.
An empty old wooden box?
That's what I thought, too. Until I looked a little closer.
A secret compartment.
Yep, and look what's inside.
A map? It's Sparkton Hills. Only a long time ago. And look, Rustin Rivets IV. Is that your great-great-granddad?
I'd say he was my great-great-grand pirate. See? 3 X's. That's what pirates used to mark things they wanted to find later.
Find the spot the X's mark. Across the town and in the park. Follow the map alone or together. It'll lead you to buried treasure.
Told you it was super cool.
The first X is in the forest. It's gonna be a lot of digging. Do we have any turbo shovels?
Nope, we're just gonna need a little help from our crew. Gather around me, hearties. We be going on an adventure for treasure, we are.
Let's just go.
'Kay. Time to bolt. That X is somewhere here in the forest. Wait a minute. Where did I put the map?
I've got us covered. I scanned it into my tablet. Now we'll always have a digital copy.
Smart thinking, Ruby. So according to the map, the first X is under ye old crooked tree. Huh.
Does anyone see a crooked tree around?
I think that's just a tree you're accidentally stepping on, Botasaur.
Maybe it isn't a crooked tree, but that is...
Awesome! This is the spot.
Let's dig in. Botasaur? He found something!
Maybe it's
wood.
They must have been important to my great-great-granddad if you bothered to bury them. But what are they for?
Wait! There's something carved in the wood. It's a message! It's a message from your great-great-granddad. Finding these pieces means you're clever and wise. Keep searching, me mateys, to reach your next prize.
I like the sound of that. Time to bolt!
So the next X is somewhere here in the park on some kind of big round thing.
Let's split into teams and find something big and round. Nice try, guys, but I don't think that's it.
I don't think that's the big round thing we're looking for either. Sorry, Officer Carl.
What is it, boy? Of course! The old sundial is big and round. The perfect place for buried treasure to hide.
Now what? We can't just dig through it.
We'll find a way.
Cool!
Told you we'd find a way.
There's a hole.
What kind of treasure would fit down there? It's super dark.
Ray? Shed some light on the situation, would ya?
There's definitely something in there. This looks like a job for my grabber attachment. I've got it!
Awesome! Is it gold or jewels? Oh, good. More wood.
Whoa! These wooden poles are really long. Thanks, Spotosaur. What do we do with these?
Message!
Great job, Jack. There's another message. 2 more pieces of puzzle you found. Now head to the beach and be seaward bound.
A puzzle? That means the wooden panels in these poles must go together somehow. This isn't just treasure we're finding. We're actually making something.
So the last puzzle piece must be at the next X.
Come on, everyone. Let's load up and head for the beach. 73, 74, 75.
Well, hello there, kids. It is a nice day for counting.
Hi, Mr. Higgins.
That's one nifty treasure map you've got yourselves there.
We're looking for the last X.
And just a few more paces.
Mind if I join in on the fun?
Sure. 98, 99, 100. Huh? The last X should be right here.
Whirly, stop! Use your scanner vision to see if you can find anything.
Great Caesar salad! An X!
Time to dig. I've got it.
What is it?
It looks like the wheel from an old wooden cart.
What can you do with one wheel?
Wheels are also used for steering. And if we've learned anything from the other pieces, there should be another clue.
The pieces you found a new vessel make. Combine it, design it. Then fair winds to the lake?
What does that mean?
It's what sailors used to say to each other when they started a voyage. It means good luck.
So we need to build something with all these puzzle pieces and head out to the lake. But where exactly? The last X. Thanks, Whirly. That must be the treasure. And whatever we build will get us there.
Let's combine it.
And design it. First, we take the wood parts we found in the forest and put them together.
Then we add on the skinny poles we found under the sundial.
And we combine them with the old steering wheel. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. What's this? From clues that I've given, you've built what I've shown. Now add something new and make it your own. Make it our own? Modified, customized, rustified. The new, improved, and fully rustified Power Pirate Ship 1650.
Wow! All right, Captain, let's see what the ship can do.
Arr! Prepare to bolt, matey.
The treasure should be right here.
A lot of pirates have hooks, but we have a claw. Let's see what's down there. We've got something. A treasure chest. Wow, the coolest treasure ever. An antique hammer.
Ooh! And look! Rubies! For Ruby.
Check it out. They left some cool pirate gear in here, too. Want to try it on, Bits? You look more like a pirate already, Jack. This treasure hunt was awesome.
But it's time we headed back to shore.
Ruby, what is that?
I don't know. This telescope was in the treasure chest. It's another treasure map.
So, you still want to head back to shore?
Arr! There be treasure to find. Full steam ahead.
Aye,
Brock's beam scheme. Calling all trains. Please report to the busy board for today's mega mission. Today's mega mission goes to Build It Brock. Ah, shucks. Me? Bugle Bridge is broken, and Penny and the kids are stuck. You need to pick up building supplies at Building Yard Station and deliver them to Bugle Bridge to fix it.
And I'll come along to make sure your engine runs smooth. It's a very heavy load.
Now you're ready to make tracks! Build it, Brock! Build it best!
Wow, those things are huge!
Now let's go fix that bridge. Bye, Dusty!
See ya!
Bye, guys! Ooh, drive carefully. I'll fix that up when I get back. Sorry. Uh-oh. Thanks. Maybe we could use the bridge parts.
That's one marvelous mini bridge.
Now let's try it out.
Woohoo! We did it!
Next stop, Bugle Bridge. Ta-da! Done and delivered. Yeah!
Chickaletta, you little artiste! Make room for
Hello, Ryder here.
Ryder, we need help at the crossing. Some branches and snow are blocking the tracks. I won't be able to drive through it.
Okay, we're on it. Everest, Paw Patrol needs you.
Ryder, how can I help?
The train crossing is blocked with snow. We have to clear it fast. Meet us there.
Ice or snow, I'm ready to go. Snowplow! There you go, Ryder. The snowpil's clear.
But not those branches. Chase, we'll use your winch to drag the branches. Everest, use your trail clearing arm to move the trunk. Rubble, your shovel can scrape the ice off the tracks so the train can stop. Let's go, pups.
We're on it!
Roar! Winch hook! I'll hook this to the branches.
Woof! Clearing arms!
All ready, Chase. Roar! Winch! Great job, Everest. Here comes the train. Hurry, Rubble.
Rubble on the double.
The brakes are holding! Wahoo!
We did it!
Rusty's Bits on the Fritz. Okay, tighten up the fasteners and it's all done. I just need my screwdriver. Thanks, Jack. Now to give it a quick wipe down. Thanks, Whirly.
It's like you know what we want, even before we do. Thanks, guys.
No problem.
Is it ready? Is it ready? Is it ready? Is it ready?
Almost. We're just about to test out the Copycat 500.
Cool. What's it do? Anything we put in here gets zapped, and out pops a perfect copy. Can you copy my car?
Sure. Ruby, power it up.
Don't you just love the sound of science?
Looks like it worked.
Sweet! Now I have 3 cars to play with. Cool! I don't need my remote to drive them.
And they're different colors.
Is it just me, or are these copy cars acting kinda weird?
Maybe the Copycat still needs some adjustments.
Good thing we added a reverse setting. Let's round them up.
Bits, can you catch them?
Are you guys okay?
Good work, everyone. Let's get the car back to the way it was. And reverse.
Awesome! Good as new. The reverse button works great, but the copying part, not so great.
We'll fix it to make perfect copies later. Let's hit the park first.
The park?
Yes! Right after we clean up this mess.
No! And the bits get their bath. But that'll take forever. Don't worry. Nothing gets the bits into their washer faster than bath time tunes. Come on, Bits! Have a good bath while we clean up the yard. This is gonna take forever to clean up. I have the perfect plan. Quick, Bits, into the Copycat. Is that the...
Oh, no.
Liam, wait!
What's in there?
The answer to all our problems. Whoa! Look at all those bits! Exactly! They'll help us clean up super fast.
Oops! Oops!
This problem.
Don't worry, we'll just reverse it, like we did with the car.
Right. I'll call them all back. Oh! The bits aren't responding. Guys. Oh no! We've got to catch them.
Time to bolt. Where did the copy bits go?
They should be right here.
I don't need all this light to drive, thank you.
What? Hey!
Whoa, this is one big shipment of waffle cones. Awesome! Hey, no! Don't crush those boxes. They're still full of waffle cones. Wait a minute. There's one crush, and another crush, and crush again? Whoa, I need to lay down. Oh, good. It was just a dream.
These copy bits are making a mess all over town.
A mega mess. The copies are definitely not working right. The bits usually help people.
Guys, I don't think I like this kind of help. Actually, this is kind of fun.
We really need a plan to catch those copy bits. We'll catch those copy bits no problem with the inescapable Hover Cage 5000. Now we wait.
But not for long. Look! A little closer. Now!
Got 'em! I knew that inescapable hover cage would work.
Inescapable?
What? They're escaping! But how?
Through the manhole.
How are we ever gonna catch those metal copy bits?
Rusty, you just said the magic word.
Abracadabra?
No, metal. And we've got just the thing.
The magnet crane! Great idea, Ruby. This will be perfect to pick up those copy bits.
And now's our chance. Look! Copy jacks at 12 o'clock.
Time to nab our first magnet full of bits.
We've got him now. That could have gone better. Hi, guys.
Liam, you're back!
And you brought the copy bits. Yeah, it's kind of weird. They've been following me ever since I hopped in my truck and put on this great bath time song. Huh?
Wait a second. We've been going about this all wrong. Instead of running around trying to catch the bits,
We get them to come running to us. Please make a cool vehicle. Please make a cool vehicle.
all we need is a cool vehicle.
Yahoo! Let's combine it.
And design it. First, we start with the magnet crane.
Then we add the Copycat 500 and a bunch of brushes from the bit washer.
And because the bits love their bath time tunes, we'll add a souped-up sound system with a megaphone. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. modified, customized, rustified. The Super Bit Fix Trap Action Contraption 5000.
Woohoo! Yes!
Let's go get those copy bits and change them back to normal.
Whoa! Look at this mess. We must be close.
We've just got to keep our eyes open for those copy bits.
Hey, Rusty, what's up?
Okay, I think we found them. Ruby, it's bath time.
Hey, where are you guys going?
It's working! Activating scrub brushes. All right, they're in the copycat. And reverse.
Aren't they back to normal?
It worked!
Yay! The bits are back. I'm sorry, guys. This is all my fault. By trying to find a shortcut, I just made more of a mess all over town.
Don't worry, Liam. The real bits are already on it.
Hold on, you guys. I'll help. Did it work?
Let's find out. Now this is what the copycat was meant for. Copy cones! But next time, I think we should go for raspberry.
Yeah!
Octopus Express. Calling all trains. Please report to the busy board for today's mega mission. Today's mega mission goes to Farmer Faye. Yeah! Aww. This is a picture of a baby octopus that showed up at Port Station today. And because Faye's so good with animals, we need her to get the baby from Port Station to Beach Station. Now you're ready to make tracks.
We'll get you to your family in no time, little big guy. Let's call him Giggles. Yeah! Rock's right up ahead! Hang on, y'all! I know a train who can rescue Giggles and get him to the beach. Rescue Red! Baby octopus in a leaky tank coming through. Clear the way!
How close are we to Beach Station, Red?
We're close. But getting Giggles into the ocean before the tank is empty is gonna be closer.
We need you at the beach to make some new tracks.
Did you say make new tracks? Mechanic Milo is on the job.
Paw Patrol reporting for duty.
Excuse me, coming through.
Riders, sir.
Thanks for coming so quickly, pups. We have
a major hoopla on our hands. A basketball hoopla.
Mayor Goodway needs a team to play basketball tomorrow against Boggy Bottom's team.
Yes, Mayor Humdinger thinks his team can't be beat.
We'll do our best, Mayor.
We're wasting valuable time. Paw Patrol, you need to, Ryder, what happens now?
Paw Patrol is on a roll.
Just let us know when you've had enough, Mayor Goodway.
Don't count your chickens before they hatch, Mayor Humdinger.
All right, pups, let's shoot some hoops.
Ryder, you know, I'm kinda clumsy with the ball, but we want you to play, Marshall.
Yeah, it doesn't matter how good you are, you're a part of the team. No game is too big, no pup is too small.
Marshall.
Marshall.
Marshall. Marshall.
Okay, I'll try.
Go Boomers!
Marshall. Great move, Marshall.
You won the game!
What a team!
If you ever need some all-stars, just yelp for help.
Rusty digs in. That's weird. Where in the world are they? I don't get it. A bunch of my tools and inventions are missing. Have you guys seen where they went?
And a bunch of my stuff is gone too.
It doesn't make sense. My gecko wall climbing gloves were right here.
And my Eagle rocket boots were right there.
Well, at least my sandwich is where I left it. Oh no, it's gone too. What is going on around here?
Well, I guess that explains where all our stuff went.
I'm glad you like the drill attachment I made for your tail, Botosaur. But do you have to bury everything? No thanks. You keep it.
It's cool if you bury things, but can you not bury our stuff?
You promise? Good, because we have important stuff to do today. Check this out.
Wow. You finished making the Super Citizen Medal for Mr. Higgins. Awesome work, Rusty.
Thanks, Ruby. I can't wait till he gets it at the big ceremony this afternoon.
He's here!
Hey, you kids.
Hey, Mr. Higgins. Ready for your big day?
Oh, boy. I hope so. Do I look okay?
You look great, but you may have forgotten one thing.
What? I'm so excited for the Super Citizen ceremony that proper footwear slipped my slippery mind.
It's a good thing your award isn't based on what you wear on your feet.
It's about all the amazing things you've done.
Oh, I wouldn't say I've done anything worthy of all this celebration hullabaloo.
Are you kidding? You're the town's very first inventor and an inspiration to everyone, especially me.
Just think of all the amazing things you've invented. The reverse umbrella to help speed up bath time.
Or when you solved the banana shortage with your auto banana briefcase.
And of course, the day you opened your shop, our town hasn't been the same since.
Aw, thanks a megaton, kids. Now, if I'm gonna get my shoes before the big shindig, I'd better get hopping. So long!
We'd better get to the ceremony, but first, let's grab Mr. Higgins' medal. It's gone.
Rusty? So is Botosaur.
Oh no! What if he buried it in the yard? We've got to find him. Botosaur, where are you? Here, boy, Whoa! Phew! Thanks.
No problem.
Hey, Botosaur, did you take Mr. Higgins' medal and bury it somewhere? You don't know.
We don't have enough time to check all these holes.
So, if we can't go to Mr. Higgins' medal, maybe we can bring it to us.
We just need a really strong magnet to get through all that dirt.
Sounds like a job for our super powerful electromagnet. If that metal is out there, this magnet will bring it to us. Let's crank it to full power. Uh-oh!
Airplane wings!
happen to see Mr. Higgins' medal flying around up there, did you?
What are we gonna do? It's almost time for the ceremony.
I know, but the medal's not in the yard.
It could be buried. Anywhere in town. Mr. Higgins' medal ceremony starts soon. And we've got no medal.
Done. We've got a new way to find Mr. Higgins' medal, and here it is.
A metal detector.
With it attached to your buggy, we can search all over town in no time. Time to bolt. It looks like you've buried half the town. Any luck with the metal detector?
Nothing yet. But I like the sound of that beeping. Old tin cans. Some busted car parts.
Nothing but junk. Are you sure you can't remember where you buried it?
What do you see, boy? It's just a bird. Why is the metal detector detecting him?
The medal! That pesky seagull took it! So, you didn't take it after all, did you, Botasaur? I should have known you wouldn't break your promise. I'm sorry. Go, Botasaur, go! Let's get that medal. Hang on!
Woohoo!
That seagull is just too fast.
And too high. Even if we do catch up, then what? He's up there, and we're stuck down here.
Or are we?
Are you thinking we need a little lift?
You know it.
All right, let's combine it.
And design it. First, we'll have to use the magnet to grab Mr. Higgins' medal.
And we use the airplane wings from the yard to get up in the air.
Then finish it up with the most important piece of all, Botasaur. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Modified, customized, rustified. The Super Dino Flyer 5000!
Time to put the soar in Botasaur.
Now let's go get that medal. There's the seagull! And he still has the medal! Don't let him get away! He's headed for the clouds! Nice move, Seagull, but we've got moves too.
everyone. Sorry, but, it looks like we're gonna have to delay the presentation.
Oh.
Because the Super Citizen Medal is in my hands right now. Come on up here, Mr. Higgins. I proudly present to you the Sparkton Hills Super Citizen Medal. You want to say a few words?
Of course, Ranger Anna. I'd be thrilled to say a few words. Words such as huckleberry, plop, shampoo, and of course, thank you.
Way to go, Mr. Higgins! Heroes come in all sizes. And when you have a dino-sized hero, you need a dino-sized medal. Bulbasaur, this is for you. For service above and beyond.
I think I know what he wants.
Me too. It's your medal, Bulbasaur. You can do anything you want with it. Even if that means burying it.
Get that goat! Calling all trains! Please report to the busy board for today's mega mission! Today's mega mission goes to... Farmer Faye!
Yippee-ki-yay! That's me!
You get to pick up Goaty from his home on Corkscrew Curve and deliver him to Central Square Station for his birthday party. Now you're ready to make tracks!
I made it myself. We've got a party to get to.
Hi, Faye! Hi, Liza! Happy birthday, Goaty!
Goaty? Oops, sorry. Goaty, where are you? Goaty! Oh, no, he isn't. So what do you say, Goaty? Ready to party?
Paw Patrol ready for action, Riders, sir!
Ace Sorensen is in trouble.
Ace?
She needs to make an emergency landing in Adventure Bay.
I've got to help. This puppy's got to fly. If, you need me to, Ryder.
Of course, Sky. I need you to use your helicopter and night vision goggles to help Ace land in the big field at Farmer Yumi's.
I'm ready.
All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll.
There she is. Ace, we see you. Do you copy?
Can't see. Smoke in the cockpit.
Whoa.
Phew! You have to have a real eagle how to fly around these trees.
Come on, Ace. I'll take the lead. I'm on your tail.
You should be near the farm, Sky.
Almost there, Ace.
Oh no! I'm not going to make it. The plane's going down too fast.
Ryder, Ace has to parachute out.
Sky, drop your cable and harness from the helicopter. If Ace can get out on the wing and attach it to herself, she won't have to parachute.
Roger, Ryder. You copy, Ace? Meet you on the wing. I'm going to get as close as I can. Got it. I got her. Yippee!
We're waiting for you at Yumi's farm.
There, Sky! Yeah! Woohoo! This is more fun than wing walking. can't believe I just rescued my hero.
Rusty's Brave Cave Save. Really?
I'm serious, Rusty. I'm talking about super strong armored creatures everywhere.
Really?
Yep, I've seen them with my own eyes. They're really tiny but can do big things. They can lift this rubber.
Like this?
Yeah.
And you're saying these creatures are right here in the yard?
Yep. Wanna see?
Whoa, cool ant farm, Liam.
Thanks. This one's name is Archer, and that's Aziz. Adrian, Alicia.
You've named them all?
Yep. Look at Annalisa go. Rusty, you ready yet? We gotta meet Sammy at Planner's Peak.
Ready. I just finished the modifications on these robo-arms. I can't wait to explore the caves.
Caves? Cool! I love caves. Can we come too?
For sure, Liam. And ants.
Yes!
Time to bolt!
Hi, Sammy!
Hey, you guys! You made it! This place is so awesome! Check out the epic view!
Whoa! You can see the whole town from up here.
There's the hardware store.
And the Rivet Lab.
And the sweetest sight of all, my ice cream store. All right! Who's ready to check out some caves?
Oh, yeah!
Okay, first, some safety tips. Number 1, the cave entrance is super steep, so it's important.
Who knew safety could be so much fun?
Sammy, are you okay?
I think I have ants in my pants!
Ants? My ants!
In my pants!
Arlene! And Jolly! Aristotle! Look out!
Ouchie!
Sammy, are you okay?
Yeah, but it's really dark and kind of spooky down here.
Then why are you laughing?
So many little feet! So much tickling!
Please don't lose them. The ants must stay in your pants, Sammy. The ants must stay in your pants.
Whoa!
Huh? Uh-oh. Look out! Sammy! Pushing a massive, heavy boulder might not be the best idea.
Guys, this cave is a lot darker than I thought. Help!
Hey, maybe we can squeeze through that small hole. Hang tight, Sammy. We found a way in.
Did you invent a shrinking machine, Rusty? 'Cause we're too big to fit in that hole. Everyone, stand back. I've got this. I have a very big head.
That's okay. It was worth a shot. I think this is a job for someone a little smaller.
Let's get some bits on the fix. Ray, Crush, we're in a squeeze and need your help.
Sammy's trapped down in the cave, but we can't fit through the opening to help him. Ray, he'll need some light.
And Crush, Sammy could use some snacks.
Got it! You guys hang out with Sammy while we move this rock out of the way.
You know, maybe this cave isn't that scary. Cave monster thing!
Yikes!
Ray? Crush? I knew it was you guys. You brought snacks? You're the best. I hope Rusty can get us out of here soon.
Okay, Rob, time to roll. Woo-hoo! Let's pull that boulder out of there. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Step on it. It's working. We did it.
Yeah!
Or maybe not. Time for plan C. There you go, Amber, Andrea. Now, home sweet home. If we can't move the boulder from the entrance, we'll have to find another way in.
Maybe there's another opening.
But how are we going to get to it?
Easy. We climb. Not so easy. If only I had longer arms.
But you do have longer arms. Back at the yard. Remember your robo-arms?
That's right. Good thinking, Liam. Potosaur, how fast can you get my robo-arms here? Potosaur? Wow, pretty fast. Good boy, Potosaur. Time to climb.
See anything?
Nope. How about you? Do you see a way in?
I found an opening. If one of us was the size of a bug. Let's climb down and rethink this.
It's a duck! That is so a bunny! I love shadow puppets. With you guys here, this place isn't so scary. A single scoop ice cream cone! It's so beautiful.
I wish there was a way we could just break through this wall.
I'll scan the mountain to see how thick it is. No chance. The mountain is way too thick. Wow, Angelina. Look at all the tunnels you dug. Nothing stops you guys from going where you want, huh?
That's it. If we can't open up the entrance to the cave, we'll do what the ants do.
And make our own tunnel. Let's combine it
And design it. First, if we take the seat and steering wheel from my go-kart,
Then add not 1, not 2, but 3 pairs of robot arms.
and top it all off with the giant ice cream cone from Sammy's store. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Modified, customized, rustified. The Ant-tastic Drillbot 3000.
Woohoo! Nice name, but can I just call it Andrew?
How about Andrew 3000?
Sure, I can work with that. Great. Now let's get Sammy out of there.
Let's dig.
Giant ant attack! Rusty. What's up?
Not much. I just figured you might want to get out of here with a little help from a drill bot.
Also known as Andrew 3000.
Now let's get you out of here.
Sweet.
You guys want some ice cream too? Don't push the others, Billy Bob.
I don't know why, but ever since I saw that robo-ant you built, I've been craving a really big ice cream cone. Like the size of my beautiful sign. Where's my sign?
Right. About that.
It's right here. Jack?
We're coming!
A new sign? Thanks, guys. You're the best.
I had a backup made because you can never have enough gigantic ice cream cones.
Balloon hullabaloo.
Calling all trains. Please report to the busy board for today's mega mission. Today's mega mission goes to Flicker.
Wait, that's me! Yay!
You'll pick up giant balloons at Port Station and bring them to Central Square Station. Now you're ready to make tracks.
Best day ever! Awesome balloons! I love this delivery!
All aboard, balloons!
Thanks! Whoa! Am I getting taller? No, wait. I'm flying. Whoa!
Nice flying, Flicker! Wait! Gotcha, Flicker!
Great! Let's go!
The balloons are safe. Here, Flicker. You take them now.
Oh no! The balloons!
Only got one chance. Gotcha! Balloons are halted and safe. We did it, Flicker.
I wish we could just fly right into Central Square Station. Whoosh! Wait a minute.